Assisted by 53.
Nice save.
And number 91, 30 at 5.
Nice pass.
Warriors, power goal scored by Shakir from Toby and Carroll.
Oh! Get to the net. Ellis, get the puck. Faster. Faster, Ellis. Come on, Ellis, dig for it. Fight. Come on, Ellis, get up and fight. Get him. Get him. Hey, he wasn't covering the man, he was watching the puck. You guys, both you guys are doing it. I need the man in front of the net covered. Quit watching the puck. Oh, man! Back check, Nico, catch him! Catch him! Good job! Man in front, guys. Man in front of the net, you cover him. I don't want you watching the puck anymore. They're burning us all day long. Cover the man in front. Get up and skate. Get up, get up, get up. Oh, come on. Good job. Good job, Brandon. Man, take the man. Look at that. Man in front! Man in front! Look behind you! You guys are watching the puck again. Good job, Nikki. Get it, Max! Get it, Max! Man in front! Look behind you, Max! Max! Cover the man! Cover the man, Max! Stay at the blue line! Stay at the blue line! Oh, Max, that was your puck! Nice back check! Nice back check!
New Mexico penalty number 12, Wyatt Chartier. 54 hooking at 45 seconds. Warriors penalty on Chartier for hooking.
D to D! D to D! Nice pass! Get the shot! Yeah, jam it! Good job, Alex! Oh, nice shot! Come on, Cameron, don't let him beat you! guys. Oh. Good job, Cole. Dig for it. Back check him. Go get him. Go get him. Back check.
New Mexico short and low, scored by number 33. And Noe.
Man in front, Nikki. Good. Man in front. Man in front. Good job. Max, man in front. Max, get on the man in front. Hey, forward, you're useless if the D steps in front of you. Don't let that happen. Come on, Joe. Get it, Ellis. Wings, you gotta help out. Don't stand around. Dig on the boards. Man in front, man in front. Man in front, man in front. Look around, Max, look. Go, Joe. Get it out of the zone. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Dig, Joe. Get it. Go get him. Man in front. Man in front.
Hold on to the puck. Take it around to the net. Be confident with the puck. Boys, you got it? Okay.
Guys, part of the problem is our wingers are letting the D step in front of them. Alice, don't let the defense step in front of you on the point, okay? If you're not in front of that defender, you're completely useless. Get in front of them.
New Mexico point number 8 to
Oh, there it is. Good. Tripping. 5 on 3. Pass that puck. Pass that puck.
Warriors coming on Saturday, 4-3.
Keep it in, Nikki. Keep it in. Look around. Look around. Go to the net, Nico. Go to the net.
Do I go on?
Come on, guys. Good job. Pass that puck. Pass the puck. Go, Riley. Go, go, go. Nice. I know, everyone skates it so much, no one is ready for a pass. Guys gotta pass the puck.